In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an image link from ClickFunnels. This is really useful if you ever need to reuse an image outside of ClickFunnels, like in an email, on social media, or on another website, but you still want to host that image inside your ClickFunnels account. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, log into your ClickFunnels account and head over to your workspace. Once you're there, look for the option called Workspace Settings. This is usually found in the main navigation or settings area. Go ahead and click on Workspace Settings, and that will open up a new page with different configuration and asset options for your account. Inside Workspace Settings, find the section labeled My Assets. This is where ClickFunnels stores things like your images, files, and other resources you've uploaded. Click into My Assets and then choose Images. This will open a gallery or list of all the images that have been uploaded to that particular workspace. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific image you want to get a link for. You can usually recognize it by its thumbnail preview. If you have a lot of images, you might want to use the search bar or filters, if available, to narrow it down. Once you find your image in the list, hover your mouse over the thumbnail. Now, right-click on the image thumbnail. This right-click action is important because it's what brings up your browser's context menu. In that menu, look for an option that says something like Copy Image Address or Copy Link. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your browser, but it will be very similar. Click that option. As soon as you do, ClickFunnels and your browser work together to copy the full image URL directly to your clipboard. You won't see anything change on the page, but the link is now ready to paste. The link you've just copied is a direct image URL hosted by ClickFunnels. It typically looks like a long web address with ClickFunnels and assets somewhere in it. You can now paste that link into an email, share it externally, use it in a button link, embed it on social media, or add it to any external website that accepts a normal image URL.